The well-known American evangelist Billy Graham once received an urgent message from an American statesman to meet him at the earliest. Canceling all appointments, Billy Graham set out to meet this man, who said to him when he was taken to his palatial home, "You see, I am an old man. Life has lost all meaning. I am ready to take the fateful leap into the unknown. Young man, can you give me a ray of hope?" All by nature desire an ideal abode, but die without achieving it. The Quran mentions that man's real habitat is not this world, but the world hereafter. We have indeed created man in the best of mold, then we cast him down as the lowest of the low, except for those who believe and do good deeds. Theirs shall be an unending reward. The real habitat of man is paradise. To be deserving of paradise, man must develop his personality in the pre-death period, so that he is selected as a deserving candidate for paradise in the post-death period, where this contradiction will end and he will be able to fulfill his desires. The Quran mentions, "For the like of this paradise, then let the workers work."